friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new chocolate review. And in today's video we are going to review the Cadbury Nutties. This is a chocolate which has been here over decades, like I think over 2 decades this chocolate has been in India. And today we are going to review this chocolate for you all. So this is the Cadbury Nutties. This is forever favorites. So let's go ahead and review this product. So starting off with the box, it is the original Nutties box which was always red in color, and right here we have the Cadbury branding. Right on top here we have the Cadbury branding, and then Nutties written here, the name of the product, Nutties. Favorites forever is their tagline here, and you can see small Nutties illustrations shown all over the box right here. And then we have here that per 15 gram serving has 77 calories in it. So that is like 4% of your GDA requirements. Moving on to the side of the box, again we have the Cadbury branding and the Nutties branding right here. On the other side as well we have the same thing. Coming on the back side of the box, here they have mentioned the ingredients of the Nutties, and here is the 100% vegetarian logo. So this is a 100% vegetarian product. So guys, here they have mentioned the nutritional facts of the Nutties. And this is a 30 gram net weight of the product is 30 grams, so this is a 30 gram box, and the MRP is rupees 40. So 30 grams of Nutties comes for rupees 40 INR. So very premiumly priced product from Cadbury this is. So let's go ahead and unbox this product. Let's go ahead and open the box. So here we go. It's like a simple box, cardboard box, comes packaged in a red cardboard box, and within that these are the Nutties that we get. So the Nutties are again packed into plastic, inside a plastic wrapper. So these are the Cadbury Nutties. So in total for rupees 40 we have got 14. So there are a total of 14 Nutties inside this. So let's go ahead and open it. Not all are of the same size, some are small, some are big. So the amount of Nutties that come in a pack may differ from person to person, but you'll get a total of 30 grams of Nutties in every packet. So coming to the packaging, again it's a plain plastic, transparent plastic packaging along with the Nutties branding on it. So you can see the Cadbury Nutties branding on the plastic paper as well. The plastic wrapper also has the Cadbury and Nutties branding on it. And there's a pure vegetarian sign here, 100% vegetarian sign as well behind the packet. So let's go ahead and open this packet of Nutties right now. So here we go. And I'm going to take one Nutty and I'm going to taste it. So let's do a taste test right now, guys. So this is the Cadbury Nutties. This is how it looks. It comes in an oval shaped chocolate ball, and let's try to do a taste test right now. Let's take a bite of the Nutties. So here is the inside of the Nutties. You can see that there's like a biscuit wafer kind of a thing, and then there are nuts within it. So it is biscuit wafer coated with chocolate, and it has nuts inside it. So overall the flavors are nice. It has a peanut flavor to it. It has crispy biscuit inside it, and there's a chocolate covering on it. So overall flavor of the Nutties is nice. So it's a wonderful product, but I feel it is just a bit overpriced at rupees 40 for 30 grams of Nutties. I think somewhere a price range of 20 to 25 is good enough for Cadbury Nutties, but I feel it's a bit overpriced with the price that they have set. So yeah guys, that was my review about the Cadbury Nutties. Do let me know your views on the same in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video if you all have liked it, and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing chocolate videos.